Welcome to Dr. Alicia's MedTalks, where we explore practical, science-based, and natural solutions for everyday health concerns. Today we're focusing on nasal congestion, a condition so common that nearly everyone experiences it at some point. Whether it's caused by allergies, a cold, the flu, or environmental irritants, blocked nasal passages can seriously affect your comfort, sleep, and even your sense of taste and smell. Nasal congestion occurs when the blood vessels in the lining of your nose become inflamed and swollen, making it harder to breathe through your nose. While it's often a minor issue, chronic or severe congestion should be addressed by a medical professional, especially if it lasts more than 10 days, comes with a high fever, facial pain, or causes breathing difficulties. But for typical nasal congestion, there are many natural, effective home remedies that can provide immediate and lasting relief, without reaching for over-the-counter nasal sprays, which often come with side effects or cause dependency. One of the oldest and most effective ways to clear your sinuses naturally is steam inhalation. Inhaling warm, moist air can thin mucus, relax nasal passages, and ease breathing. Simply fill a bowl with hot water, add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or tea tree oil, and cover your head with a towel as you lean over to breathe in the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, a hot shower can have similar benefits, especially before bedtime. For convenience, personal steam inhalers are widely available and easy to use. Another powerful remedy is saline nasal irrigation, commonly done with a neti pot or squeeze bottle. This method flushes out mucus, allergens, and irritants from your sinuses. Make a homemade saline solution by mixing 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of distilled or boiled water. Use clean water only, and be sure to thoroughly clean your device after each use to prevent infections. Pre-made saline sprays from the pharmacy are a more convenient, travel-friendly option. This technique not only helps in cases of viral infections, but is particularly effective for people suffering from allergies or chronic sinus issues. Hydration is another critical, yet often overlooked factor. When you're well hydrated, your body is better able to thin out mucus, allowing it to drain more easily. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Warm fluids such as broths, soups, and herbal teas offer dual benefits: hydration plus the therapeutic effect of steam and warmth. Chicken soup, often referred to as nature's remedy for colds, may help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Avoid dehydrating substances like alcohol and caffeine, and if water feels bland, add lemon slices, cucumber, or berries for flavor. Using a humidifier in your living or sleeping area can make a big difference, especially in dry climates or during winter when indoor heating dries out the air. A cool mist humidifier is generally safer around children, but a warm mist humidifier may kill more bacteria. Whichever you choose, regular cleaning is crucial to prevent mold or bacteria growth. Don't have a humidifier? Placing bowls of water near heaters, using houseplants, or hanging damp towels can increase indoor humidity naturally. Sleeping with your head slightly elevated can help reduce sinus pressure and improve nighttime breathing. Use an extra pillow or a specially designed wedge pillow to keep your head above your heart. This encourages drainage and prevents mucus from pooling in your sinuses. Alternating between hot and cold compresses over the sinus area can also relieve congestion. Warm compresses help liquefy mucus, while cold ones reduce swelling. Apply a warm washcloth for 3 minutes, followed by a cold one for 30 seconds. Repeat the cycle a few times, ending with a warm compress. This simple contrast therapy stimulates circulation and relieves pressure, especially when done 2 to 4 times a day. Essential oils can also serve as natural decongestants and anti-inflammatories. Eucalyptus, peppermint, oregano, thyme, and tea tree oils are particularly effective. These can be added to steam inhalation, diffused into your room, or applied topically when diluted with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. Be cautious. Essential oils are potent and should never be ingested or applied directly to the skin. They're also not suitable for infants, pregnant women, or those with certain health conditions without professional advice. Another surprisingly effective remedy is spicy food. Ingredients like chili peppers, horseradish, mustard, and wasabi contain capsaicin, which acts as a decongestant by thinning mucus and promoting drainage. Even the act of eating something spicy can help open nasal passages. Hot soups with a kick, such as chicken soup with ginger and cayenne, are ideal. Start with mild spice levels and increase gradually. Herbal teas are a go-to remedy for many reasons. Warm fluids thin mucus and soothe the throat, while the herbs themselves have additional benefits. Peppermint tea contains menthol, which cools and opens the airways. Ginger tea is anti-inflammatory and good for reducing swelling in the nasal passages. Chamomile is calming and ideal for nighttime use. Green tea supports the immune system with its antioxidants. Adding honey and lemon enhances the benefits further. Honey soothes the throat and has antibacterial properties, while lemon cuts through mucus and provides vitamin C. A simple concoction of honey and lemon in warm water can reduce postnasal drip and soothe the throat. For an added kick, include fresh ginger or cinnamon. Just be cautious. Honey should never be given to infants under 1 year old due to the risk of botulism. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is another popular remedy. It's thought to thin mucus and balance pH levels in the body. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered ACV with a glass of warm water and a spoonful of honey. Drink this 2 to 3 times daily. You can also use ACV in steam inhalation. Be mindful, however, ACV is acidic and can erode tooth enamel over time, so use a straw and rinse your mouth afterward. Garlic and onions, both staples in many kitchens, have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound released when chopped or crushed. Allow crushed garlic to sit for 10 minutes before cooking to maximize its potency. Eating garlic and onions in soups or raw, if tolerated, can help fight off infections that cause nasal inflammation. Some traditional remedies even involve mixing crushed garlic with honey for daily consumption. Onions contain quercetin, a natural antihistamine, and can help reduce allergic responses. Nasal strips are a non-medicated option that work mechanically by lifting the sides of the nose to open the nasal passages. They're especially useful for people with structural blockages like a deviated septum, or for those who snore due to congestion. Apply them to clean, dry skin across the bridge of the nose and remove gently. Acupressure is another natural technique that can provide temporary relief. Pressure points that may help include the area between your eyebrows, the sides of your nostrils, the base of your thumbs, and the temples. Apply firm, steady pressure or massage in circles for a few minutes, repeating several times a day as needed. For those suffering from postnasal drip and the sore throat that comes with it, saltwater gargles are extremely effective. Dissolve 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt in warm water and gargle for 30 seconds, then spit. Do this a few times a day. The salt draws excess fluid out of inflamed tissues and helps break up mucus. Follow up with a spoonful of honey for throat relief. Prevention is just as important as treatment. Avoid known irritants such as cigarette smoke, strong perfumes, dust, and air pollution. If you have allergies, identify and eliminate triggers such as pet dander, pollen, or mold. Use allergen-proof covers for your pillows and mattresses, wash bedding frequently, and vacuum with a HEPA filter. Diet plays a vital role as well. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish, walnuts, flaxseed, brightly colored fruits and vegetables, turmeric, and probiotics all support a healthy immune and inflammatory response. Some individuals may find that dairy or processed foods increase mucus production, so monitor your reactions. Don't underestimate the importance of rest. Getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep allows your body to repair and strengthen its immune response. Stress management is equally vital, as chronic stress suppresses immunity and contributes to inflammation. Deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscle relaxation can help you unwind before sleep. Limit screen time before bed and maintain a consistent bedtime schedule. When nasal congestion disrupts sleep, try combining remedies. Use a humidifier. Elevate your head, apply essential oils or chest rubs, and consider a warm compress or nasal strip to keep airways open. Gentle exercise can also provide temporary relief by increasing circulation and reducing inflammation. Activities like walking, light cycling, or yoga can help open nasal passages. However, if you have a fever or chest congestion, it's best to rest until symptoms subside. Boosting your immune system is another way to help prevent and recover from congestion. Vitamin C and zinc, while not direct decongestants, play supportive roles in immune function. Citrus fruits, kiwi, strawberries, and bell peppers are great sources of vitamin C, while zinc is found in meat, legumes, seeds, and nuts. Zinc lozenges may reduce the duration of cold symptoms if taken early. However, avoid intranasal zinc products due to the risk of permanent loss of smell. Natural over-the-counter products containing menthol, camphor, or eucalyptus provide a cooling sensation and improve perceived airflow. These ingredients are found in chest rubs, lozenges, and steam shower products. While they don't reduce swelling directly, they make breathing feel easier and soothe the throat. Consistency is key with these natural approaches. The best results come from combining several remedies into a daily routine. For example, start your day with a hot shower and steam inhalation, follow up with saline nasal irrigation, drink warm herbal teas with honey and lemon, eat nutrient-rich foods, and stay hydrated. Use a diffuser or essential oil chest rub as needed throughout the day, and at bedtime, consider a warm compress, humidifier, elevated head position, and a nasal strip for more restful sleep. Remember, while these remedies are generally safe, they should be used wisely. Some may not be suitable for everyone, and if your symptoms persist, worsen, or are accompanied by severe discomfort, always consult with a healthcare provider. Thank you for joining Dr. Alicia's MedTalks. We hope these natural strategies help you breathe easier and feel better without relying on medicated nasal sprays. If you found these tips useful, please like this video, subscribe for more natural health content, and share your own remedies or questions in the comments. Your voice helps our growing health-conscious community learn and thrive together.